further than this was saying. It's A.
Good afternoon, sir.
So they will be getting benefited from your videos. And now let's see. Question number 7. Good afternoon to everyone. In question number 7, it has been said that in the election for the house captain of a house in school, okay, Raman wins by 24 votes. If Raman gets 40% of the total votes, find the number of students who voted. So if you see, here it has been said, Raman is winning by 24 votes.
Good afternoon,
And
sir.
Raman get 40% of the total votes. So find the number of students who voted in an election in house captain. Of course, in our school also, house captain, vice captain, these votings are going
which
on.
exercise is this, sir?
This is 9th A. Question number 7.
So then
Yes,
we solved
Rituja, this is
the
only
try
the problem.
this.
Yes.
Sir, then we solved the try this of 118.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
So of course, yes.
sir, try this has
1118 try this section you are saying. Yes.
sir.
No.
Huh?
If there will be doubt,
And when we will
then you
solve
can
it?
ask. If you have solved, it's okay. If not solved, then you have to solve.
Any question made, sir? I don't remember any of it.
Yes.
Sir, no any question made, sir, from try this section. Sir.
No any questions made. You didn't made any question.
Means I don't know, sir. I tried also, sir, but I cannot.
Any question you are not knowing? Oh, okay, no problem. I'll be explaining that also then. Okay, one by one. After this 7, Nancy's doubt 2, and then after I'll be coming towards your doubt. Try this section. Okay. So let's see over here. Raman wins by how many votes? 24 votes. And Raman gets how much? 40% of the total votes. Find the number of students who voted. Now, okay, here Raman wins by 24 votes. Now, how many participants are there? That it has not been cleared. Okay. They simply said he won by 40%.
How can we find this, sir?
Excuse
Yes,
me,
I am
sir.
asking that only. Yes.
In this question, Raman wins 24 votes and he also gets 40% of votes. So then we can say that 40% of total votes is equal to 24 votes.
No, here it is not saying that Raman got 24 votes. Here it is being said that Raman wins by 24 votes. And of course, now here it is not clear that how many participants were there. Because of course, if there is only what saying 2 participants, then by getting 40% of votes, the person will not win. But here, if Raman gets 40% of total votes, it has been said. That means
Yes, sir.
here
Then
the
how to
participants
do,
is
sir?
more than 2. Find
This
the number of
question
students
not
who
making
voted.
sense only, sir.
Okay, I am just thinking how it can be done. So of course there are something missing. Either if the
Sir,
number of participants should be
this,
there.
sir,
Yes.
40% of x minus 24 will be 60% of x. That can be done.
No, 40% of x minus 24 is equal to 60% of x. How? From 40% we will be subtracting 24, then it will become less or more.
Less only.
So I think here instead of Raman, any other name should be given. Okay, let me say the answer. If answer matches, then I will make the question correct. Okay. Answer is 120, is it?
Yes, sir.
Rituja, answer is 120.
Yes, sir. 120.
Yes, sir.
So here in place of Raman, you keep any other name. Okay. I will keep the name of Ashish over here. Yes. Had Ashish won any time? This was saying captains this. Then here now you can solve it. Now the Ashish is winning, okay, by 24 votes, and Raman get only 40% votes. So percentage of Ashish will become 100 minus 40, that is 60%. Okay. Then you can say difference in percentage of Raman and Ashish is equal to 20%. So 20% of X is equal to 24 you will be doing and you will be finding. Got it, Rituja? Or I should solve whole in process?
Sir,
Yes,
we
sir,
can't.
it is 120 on.
60% of X is equals to 2 for 24, sir.
Yes, by doing this you will get 20% of X is equal to 24. At first, before this, then you will be writing, let the total number be X. Here the percentage of votes received by Ashish is equal to 100 minus 40% is equal to 60%.
Yes,
Sir, you
sir.
search
So
for this
answer
question.
came 120, sir. There was mistake in the second way.
Sir,
Sir, I
Yes.
understood. I can
question
solve.
is correct, I think. We don't need to change any name.
No, just see here what it has been said. Raman wins by 24 votes. Okay, and Raman is getting only 40% of the total votes. So if two participants is only there, then other will get how much votes? Do you know what percentage of votes they will get? 60%. If anyone will get 60% of votes, then how Raman will win?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
More participant will be there, sir.
Yes. So here it has not been cleared. Either two participants is there or more than two participants. So for making it okay clear, I had just kept one more name. That means not Raman wins because Raman is getting only 40%. Then the winner will be of 60% only. So Ashish I had made, and the question has been done.
Sir, by giving
Yes.
another name, the answer is coming correct.
Yes, that's only I had said. Because 40, by getting
Answer the
40%,
question.
the person can't be winner if there is two competitors.
Yes, sir. And question is also wrong.
Yes. So
Sir,
Rituja,
in
is it
question
clear?
it is asking, sir. In question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Question
Yuvraj?
it is asking find the number of students. We will write in place of students vote.
So see, if there is coming X is equal to 120, if 120 votes has been casted, one student casting one votes. So total number of students will become 120.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or
Done.
instead of writing let the number of votes be X, you better write let the number of students be X. Then X it will be coming the number of students only. So all of you will be able to do this, no need to solve, or I should solve this.
No, sir, no need to solve.
Then I will be moving towards question number 2, where Nancy was finding doubt. Okay. So let me come towards question number 2. Yes. Here it has been said, Rajat height is 12% less than Purab's height. Okay. By what percent Purab's height more than Rajat? Okay, very interesting question. Such questions are generally being asked in general competition also. If your any brothers or sisters or uncle or auntie is preparing, if you will give to them, if they will be able to do it, that means they are good in maths in competition. If they will not be able to do, that means they are not good. They may use some trick. There are several tricks of solving this for competition level, because they have to solve very fast. Within 1 minute, the answer should come, or less than that. So they use trick. Now just see over here, Rajat height is 12% less than Purab's height. So what we can do, we can assume over here, while making in process we will assume, let Rajat height, okay, Purab's height is bigger because Purab is bigger. So you can assume let Purab height be x. Then what will happen? Rajat height will become x minus 12% of x. That is how much? 88x by 100. It will come. And again, by what percent Purab height is more than Rajat? So now if you will see, the difference between the height is 12 by x by 100, and there is comparison from whom? Rajat. So Rajat height is 88x by 100. Yes. Okay, writing I am getting difficulty little bit. Thicker it is not coming. Okay. Sometimes it stops writing. Okay. Yes. So what it will happen? Rajat height is 88x by 100, and Purab is how much more? Purab is 12x by 100 more. When you will solve this in percentage, that means you will multiply it with 100 and you will get the answer. Got it, Nancy? Or I should explain whole in process?
So last step you solved, no sir? Last calculation, sir.
Yes, last calculation if you will say, I'll say you how much it will become. This both it will be cancelled. 4 3 is 12 and 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8. So it will become 300 by 22%. X also it will be cancelled. X was there, 88x was there. So x it will be cancelled. It will become 300 by 22%. And then after you can just bring it in decimal or mixed fraction also. 2% like here with 2 it will be divided. That means it will become 150 by 11. And when you will just change it into mixed fraction, then it will become 11 1 is 11, 4. So 11 3 is 33, 7. So 13.7 by 11% is the answer. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Or if you will write in point, then it will come 13 point, how much? 11 6 is 66. Then after 4, 11 3 is 36. So 13.63%. That can also be written. So did Nancy understood this?
Yes, sir.
So no need to make it in full process.
No,
You'll be
sir.
able to make that?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
question number 3 also solved, no sir?
Question number 3 also. Okay. So let's see question number 3. Before that, Astha had said any doubt from try this section. Yes, Astha?
Yes, sir.
So what is your problem from try this section?
Number 3, sir.
Question number 3. Okay. So I'll be arranging this page little bit properly. I think I should have to make it a small. So in question number 3, it has been said Neha studied for 1.5 hours more than Cherry. And if Cherry studied 40% of the total time, both of them had spent studying, find the total
This is
number of
solved yesterday,
hours
sir.
the two of them studied. Also find the number of hours each of them had studied. Yes, yesterday I had solved.
Yes, sir.
If I had solved this yesterday, then this is in the recording which I had sent today. From there also you can refer. Okay, Astha.
Yeah, in,
Very simply.
so you are
Yes.
saying yesterday in that sir.
Yes, of course. Today I had sent in morning. Today I had sent the recording of this Saturday's class.
The 6th also solved, no?
6th of try this section.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll be coming here. Before that, anyone has asked question number 3 also solving. Yes, who is that? Was it Yuvraj?
No sir, Navnayan.
No, sir, no.
Navnayan, okay. So let's see Navnayan and other students also, of course. It is not that I had not asked, then why I should see. No, you should see because the doubt of Navnayan can be your doubts also. Raman had rupees 520 with him. Okay. He spent 32% on pizza. How much is left with him? So very simple. You can say money left with Raman is equal to rupees 520 minus 32% of
2%.
rupees 520.
Yes, sir.
You will solve and you
166.4.
will get.
Yes,
How
sir.
much?
Answer I got, sir.
Understood how to make?
Yes, sir.
Everyone will be able to make this, or I should explain with process?
No, sir, we will make.
Okay, so then I'll be moving. Yes?
Sir, I want to ask something, sir.
Yes, say.
Sir,
Astha?
here Raman had 520, sir. So
Yes.
32% of 520 has been spent by Raman, sir.
Yes. That's why we are
Sir,
subtracting 32%
sir,
of
like that we
520 from
cannot
there.
do, sir. Like total money is equal to 100x, sir. Then 100x minus 32 is
Total
equal
money
to.
here it has been given only. So why we will assume 100x? You can do now left money percentage is equal to 100% minus 32%. That will become 68%. Then you can say, so left amount is equal to 68% of 520. That also you can do. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will be coming towards again Nancy doubt. Okay. Let's see. Here it has been said 33,500 is distributed between Pooja, Astha and Riti. Pooja gets 70% of what Astha get. Okay. And Astha gets 20% of what Riti gets. Find the sum of money received by them. So what we will do is over here, we will find anyone's, okay, find the sum received received by one of them. That means of each and every one. Okay, what percent of Pooja's amount does Astha get? Okay, so what we will assume? We will assume anyone's least one, or even we can assume of anyone's, no problem. So let me assume over here Pooja gets 70% of what Astha gets, and Astha gets 20% of what Riti gets. So I will be assuming let Riti gets X. Okay. Then what will happen? Astha will get 20% of X. That is, it will become X by 5. If Riti is getting X, then Astha will get X by 5. And Pooja will be getting 70% of X by 5. That means 70 by 100 into X by 5. Sometimes it's stop writing, yes. So what will happen? It will become 14 5 to 70. That means 14x by 100. And at last what you will be doing is, you will be adding this all. Then according to question, x plus x by 5 plus 14x by 5 is equal to 33,500. When you will solve this, then you will get the value of x, and then you can say how much each of them had got. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If it
sir.
is okay, if clear, then okay, not then you can say to solve it in process. Okay. Now if you will be finding, okay, solving in process. Okay, so let's see, I'll be solving this. Okay. So here, what we will be doing in process, if you will solve, then you will write like this. Let, okay, let Riti gets rupees X. Rupees X, okay. Then Astha gets 70% of what Riti gets, yes?
20%,
No, Astha
sir.
gets
20%.
20% of what Riti gets, sorry. So here it will be 20%. 20% of x is equal to 20 by 100 into x. Okay, 2 1 are 2, got 2 5 are 10. So it will become 1 by 5x, or you can say x by 5. Okay, that will become x by 5. Again, Pooja gets 70% of what Astha gets. So you can write, and Pooja gets 70% of Astha, that is x by 5. That is 70 by 100 into x by 5. So 14 5 is 70. It will become 14x by 5. That will become 14x by 5. And you can say now according to
Sir,
question.
how 5? So it will become 14x by 100, no sir?
Sorry,
Then 7x by
100, yes,
50.
100. Yes, it will become 100. By mistake I had written
7x by
5.
50, sir.
Yes.
Yes, 7x by 50 also you can write, yes. So you can write now according to question. Let's reduce it here itself, 50 only make it. It will become is equal to 7x by 50. So now, according to question, what will happen? X
This
plus
will
x
add
by
up
5
to 33.
plus 7x by 50 will give total money. And total money is how much? It's
33,500.
33,500. Then you can write over here 33,500. Then when you will take LCM, then it will become 50 over here. It will become 50x. Okay, plus 5 10 are 50. So it will become how much? 10x over
10x.
here. And there it will become 7x is equal to 33,500. Now this 50 will go that side. It will become 50 and 10 60 and 7 67x, or even you can write directly also x is equal to 33,500 into 50 by 67. Okay, if you will write here by 67, then what will happen? This 67 will not be there.
Sir, x will become 25000, sir. 5 times it will go.
Okay, with 5 times it will go exactly, yes. 67 5 it will become 335, and double zero is there, so 500. So 500 into 50 it will become 25,000. So now what we will be writing? Hence Ritti got 25,000. Okay, and Astha got 1 by 5 into 25,000, that means 5,000. And what was the other's name? Hence
Pooja.
Poojas.
Ritti got rupees 25. Got, not gots. Got rupees 25,000. And then after and Astha got, okay, Astha
5,000.
got rupees 25,000 into 1 by 5 is equal to rupees 5,000. What was the third name?
Poojas.
Pooja, sir. Pooja will get 3,500.
Pooja, yes. So Pooja got
3,500.
got rupees
33,500
25,000.
minus 30,000.
Yes, that also can be done. 33,500 minus 33,000, so it will come 3,500. Or you can do into what it was 7x by 50. Yes, so 7 by 50 you
Yes.
can do, and you can solve that also like this also. 1010 got cancelled. 500 it will be coming. 5 5 2500. So 500 into 7 it will become 3,500. Okay, so is equal to rupees 3,500. So this was all the answer of question number A. Now there is B also. And what it is being said in B, let's see. In B it has been said what percent of Pooja's amount does Astha get? So here the comparison will be with Pooja's amount. So Pooja's amount will be below and the difference. Okay, what percent of Pooja's amount does the Astha's get? And Astha's amount will be at the top and into 100% we will do. So Astha's and Pooja's. Pooja's is 33,500 and Astha is how much? 25,000.
5,000.
Yes.
5,000.
No, 5,000. Sorry. Okay. Now, okay, sometimes it's now. Okay. Percentage of what was the question?
Pooja's amount
Percentage
does
Pooja's
Astha.
amount does Astha get?
Okay. What percentage of Pooja's amount does Astha get? Yes. Then percentage
Yes.
of Astha getting, Astha you have to find. Yes, Astha with regard to Pooja is equal to Astha with respect to or with regard to also you can write with respect to Pooja is equal to, now comparison is with Pooja. So Astha's amount will be at the top. Astha is how much? 5,000. By below Pooja's, so 3,500, yes, into
Yes,
100%. So it will be cancelled. And when you will divide it, okay, so with 5 it will go 7 5 is 35 and 5 1 is 5. So 1,000 by 5 it will become, is it? 1,000 by 7.
1,000 by
And
7, sir.
when we will divide it, it will come, okay, how much? 7 1 is 7, 3 and 0, 7 4 is 28, 2 and 0, 7 2 is 14, and then after there leaves 6. So 6 by 7, you can write 142, 6 by 7%, or in point you can write 142.7 8 is 56 and 7 5 is 35. So 142.85% also you can say. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Answers
clear.
also match, yes?
Yes, clear.
Okay. So now next doubt.
That 9.18 questions.
9.1 question number 8. So if anyone want to take a screenshot, you can speak. No, then I will be just moving in 9.1 question number 8. So okay, then I will be moving in question number 8 of 9.1.
Small
So let's
do
see
na,
question number 8. Yes.
sir. Small do na, sir. We'll take a screenshot.
Okay. So earlier you have to say I was doing a small. I thought okay, why to waste time if everyone has understood and they can make by themselves. Okay. So now let me see either is it in coming in whole single screen or not. Yes, it will come if I will manage it. Yes. think. Is it visible clearly to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, taken.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll be moving towards question number 8. Just see, here it has been said there are two candidates A and B from the constituency in an election. The total number of the voters in constituency is 82,000. Okay, and 80% of the total votes were polled. If 56% of the polled votes were casted in favor of A, how many votes were polled in the favor of B? So what you will be doing, just listen and okay. Here it has been said total number of voters is how much?
82,000.
Okay, 82,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So when it is 82,000, out of that all didn't vote, only 80% casted vote. Then you can say, okay, total number of votes polled is equal to 80% of 82,000. That you will be finding.
Yes, sir. 656,000.
656,000.
00, sir.
So this
20.
will become much. 20 only, yes. So after that, when you will get that, then you will say percentage of votes received by B is equal to 100 minus 56%. Because 56% already A got. So remaining will be only got by B. So that will come how much?
46% of 656,000 also, sir.
44%, sir.
Then it will come
Yes,
44%. Then you
44%.
can say votes polled in favor of B is equal to 44% of 656,000.
65,600.
Yes. And what will come? That will become the answer. Got it? Or I
Okay,
should make this
sir.
in process.
Yes, sir. No, sir, I got. I was having problem in that line, sir. 80% of total votes were polled. That I did not.
Okay. There is some students makes mistake. They think that 80% is there, 56% is there. How it will be done? Of course, maths until the question doesn't becomes clear, it is too much difficult. And when question becomes clear, it becomes easy. So if there is a further doubt, you can ask me. In 9.1, how many of you had completed 9.1? Let me see. Raise your hand only. Okay. Is there anyone who had completed 9.1? Rituja. Okay, very good. After that?
There are 5 to 6 questions left.
Okay, 5 to 6 questions. No problem. That's also good
Sir,
only.
today
We'll
will
be
be
completing
completed,
today.
sir.
Okay, so only
Today it
one
will be
student,
completed.
Rituja, has completed. Very good.
Sir, tomorrow
Of course,
you will
others also
complete.
can
Completed
do
but
such
not
effort.
in fair copy. Completed in
Sir,
rough copy.
Okay, IUC has completed in rough copy, not in fair copy. Okay, yes, Astha, what you're saying?
sir, few questions are left, sir. So tomorrow you can explain, sir, if I will have doubt in that, sir.
Of course, of course. If there will be doubt while making, you can ask me tomorrow also. You might have seen, I am just, when there is doubt to students, I am explaining the previous chapter's questions also, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. No need to
Yes.
worry about that. If there will be doubt, you will be asking. Okay. If there is no doubt, I will move further. Okay. And if you will see further, there is, of course, there is 3 exercise in this what saying percentage, and of course one revision exercise also, so it will become big. Let's hope before PT3 it get completed. So profit loss is over here. I hope all of you are knowing what profit and what loss means.
Sir,
When
this
you are
one
buying
is
the things.
easy, sir.
Yes, this is easy. When we are buying
Sir.
things in high price and selling it in low price, then what will be there?
Loss, sir.
Loss, sir.
Loss will
Yes,
be there,
loss.
sir. Loss will be there.
Yes. So same thing it has been explained over here. If SP is greater than CP, then there will be profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. If CP will be greater than SP, then there will be loss. And loss and profit both are calculated with the comparison of cost price. Don't think that okay, selling price will be compared for loss or profit. No. This you have to keep it in mind. Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100%, and loss percent means loss by CP into 100%. Or even you can write directly also, profit percent is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100%. Okay, into 100%. And this will become, loss will become what? CP minus SP by CP into 100%. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it, sir. I have doubt in 9.1.
Okay, you have got doubt in 9.1. So of course you can ask 9.1.
Sir, 15.
Okay, question number 15. So if you will see question number 15 over here, it has been said, Anshu had to paint a wall. He finished 15% of the wall. Okay, by painting he had completed 15% of the wall. Kamal came and painted 20% of the remaining wall. Now what it has been left, that 20% Kamal has painted. What percentage of wall is still unpainted? So what you will do, here you can assume, let the total area of wall be X. Then we will do, okay, amount of
Sir,
wall
we can't solve this
painted
question by 100, sir.
Yes, you can do by using 100 also. Then
Sir,
100
please do
meter
know
square you will be keeping. Yes?
by doing 100 you do know, sir.
Okay.
Yes, it
In
is
process?
easy.
Or simply I will explain.
Explain only, sir, explain.
Okay, so if you will take 100, then 15%. Okay, what happened? Asu has painted. So 15 meter square has been painted by Asu. So left area it will become how much? Left
85, sir.
will become 85 meter square.
85%.
Now, no, not a percent, 85 meter square. When we are painting, then we are painting area.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so meter square or centimeter square we can't write because that is wall, and wall cannot be measured in centimeter because that is the bigger one. Walls are bigger, and centimeter you can see in a scale they are smaller, small size. So now left is this much. 20% of this has been, okay, painted by Kamal. So you can say area painted by Kamal, okay, is equal to 20% of 85 meter square, which will come 17 meter square. Okay. Now you can say still unpainted area is equal to what? 85 minus 17 meter square. That means 68 meter square it will be coming. Hence, percentage of left area is equal to 68 meter square by 100 meter square into 100%, and it will come 68% answer. Got it?
Oh, yes, sir, got it, sir.
So in this way we will be making. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Round do na, sir.
Round?
Round
Means
do
small.
na, sir, down. Yeah, sir.
Down. Okay, I'll do a little bit down. Yes. Now it is whole in same itself.
Sir, that left is equal to 85%, sir.
No, 85. When Asu done, Asu painted 15 meter square. So now after Asu, how much left? 100 minus 15 we will be doing?
85, sir.
Yes. So it will become 85. My voice is not going clearly for everyone.
No, sir, it is coming clear.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, it is coming clearly.
Okay. So might be you will be having network problem. So it is 85 meter square. Now what it has been left, that of that only 20% has been done by Kamal. So 20% of 85 meter square we had found, that is 17 meter square Kamal had made. So after that, left unpainted will become 85 minus how much? 17, because 17 meter square it has been painted by whom? Kamal. So still it is 68 meter square unpainted. So at last you can write unpainted percent is equal to 68 meter square by 100 meter square into 100%. You will get 68%.
Understood, sir.
Understood. So now, as I can see, of course, your time has been also completed. So further, I will be explaining you next day, and all of you are not completed also, so you will be completing those exercise. And if you will get time, you will watch this example, and you will try to make this, try this section also. This is about profit and loss. So I think you all can do it easily. If there will be doubt in this, try this section, then I will be solving that tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, bye, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
bye
sir, bye.
everyone.
Bye,
At first,
sir.
I will
Thank
stop
you, sir.
recording.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yes,
everyone.
sir, bye.
Bye, sir.